Yo, YouTube. I got a whole new mic set up and I'm still playing around with it. Let me show you what I got. Y'all let me know if this is a W cop. It's a DJI mic mini. Bro, I'm having fun with this thing's actually kind of fire. But I'm playing around with the audio, so if this audio sucks buns, keep that in mind. Ever since I got tuned, my exhaust setup has been really loud, which causes a lot of drone. So I got this to hopefully get rid of all of that drone. Oh, hold on. Is this thing so long? Oh, that's not a Q50. That shit clean. Bro, I don't know if it's just me, but I've been seeing like Q50s. Bro, that was the second Q50 I just seen right now. That me a twin. I think he saw the big mic setup. Dude, this thing is it's like a mountain on my head. Dude, again, after this video, after I record, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna play around with all the settings. I didn't really play with it. Really, I got this mic. I got the mic like 20 minutes ago. Like, no joke. So I was kind of excited. I'm really excited for this mic. I don't know, man. I think I'm more excited for this mic rather than the GoPro. I don't know why. I'm trying to, if any of you guys know how to do it, any other car YouTubers, or you have knowledge with audio and videography and stuff like that. Hold on. I'm trying to hook it up to my intake or exhaust, either or. Because I want to be able to, because I'm new to this, so. Y'all probably more experienced than I am. Some of you but I'm trying to basically. Damn. I feel like it's too loud. I'm basically trying to get voice audio, and I'm trying to get exhaust audio, if that makes sense, or intake, either or. I'm trying to balance it out. I got the DJI, what is it called? The mic mini. It's like the smallest one they got, I think. I thought bro on the camera was trying to line it up. Though I have yet to run into a V8. I wanna get a scat. I wanna, I wanna get a scat, bro. But no scat wants to do it, Cause I've been seeing so many cocky scat pack owners. But at the same time, I might get humbled too. So I'm just curious, realistically. I'm honestly just curious. I want to see if my car hole can spank him. Do a little spank. Q50. You don't want to light it up. I'm just joking. I'm not trying to be cocky. I'll be sarcastic a lot. That me up, twin? Oh, jeez. I tried hooking it up to my intakes. Like before this video, I made another video and I recorded and I like try to see how the audio sounds, and it sounds like straight cheeks. It's buns. Like I had it like literally right in front of the intakes, and you just hear a whole bunch of I don't know how to explain it, bro. It just sounds like very distorted. It don't sound good. So I took it off and I just have the one mic on me. Is that a cop? Nah. My temps like guys are probably like these Infiniti drivers. Dude, I need something to drink. I'm thirsty. Dude, if y'all could let me know who this is, y'all know game for real. I'm not big enough. I'm not a big enough YouTuber. Like, if y'all can guess who this is, I got a $100 giveaway. Should I? Sad. I don't know. Do a giveaway. Y'all been watching this far, y'all let me know though. If y'all not subscribed either, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before maybe August. We're in March, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 4 months. I give myself 4 months to reach 1,000 subscribers. But that all depends on me too. That depends how consistent I can be. I'm really trying to grow the YouTube channel for real. What type of Honda Civic is that? I've never seen that tail lights. Is that aftermarket tail lights? Is that a new Honda? Bro, what type of Honda is that? Never seen it. Go, papi, go, métete. Look at these guys, almost crashing. What a bunch of bozos. It's my turn.